I just want to show you my awesome police car. It's pretty old, pretty old, and yeah, it looks real, but it's not. I wish it was real, so now hopefully I can get the camera. So this is my backyard, and we are grilling some food. So now, guys, as you can see, there are these stuff, and so when you close the door, there's this white thing on the door, and it's right next to that black thing, and it lets the door shut properly. Guys, now let's quickly drive. So how to turn it on, just do that. Now here is the pedal. Now do that. Now let's steer the stick. Now let's go faster. Let's get this. And where is it? It's right here. So let's turn it up. Now we're going faster. Ta-da! No, I can't turn anywhere. What do I do? I don't know what to do. We have to hold it all the way down for the whole time and then push on the pedal. Now we're going backwards. Just like that. So guys, we do have that because it's my backyard. So yeah, it's so awesome. And there are also these sirens. And it is broken. So you could see how it works. Now you could actually see the battery percentage. What the battery percentage is on. Now on the wheel, these two don't work because they actually aren't it. And now there are these two. That makes that sound. Now that.
415. Can
That.
you 695?
That.
Copy that 205.
That.
We've got a 1060.
That.
415. Can you check it?
That's all.
1064.
Yeah, so guys, now that's pretty much all. Pretty awesome, right? So guys, good